This is our weekly market update where we start in the US, cross to Europe and Asia, and then in Australia, covering commodities and crypto along the way. When UK Prime Minister Harold Macmillan was asked what was the greatest challenge for a statesman, he replied, "Events, dear boy, events." This is highly relevant to this week's market review because they were whipsawed through the trading day, asking what is a negotiating gambit and what is a serious policy proposal. After opening higher, they sank mid-session during a public berating of Ukrainian President Zelensky by President Trump and Vice President Vance at the White House. Zelensky is not ready for peace if America is involved, Trump said in a post on Truth Social afterwards. But US investors shook off the volatility through mid-afternoon and then pushed still higher leading into the closing bell, so that all three US benchmarks rallied, with financials leading all 11 of the S&P 500 industry sectors higher. The MSCI Global Index was up 0.66% on Friday, but still down 1.33% for the week, while the STOXX 600 European Index was up another 0.6% across the week after touching a record high on Wednesday. But Australia's ASX 200 rounded off earnings season on a negative note, slipping 1.2% to post its second consecutive month of losses, tumbling 4.2% in February and wiping out all the gains made this year so far. Standing back, the level of uncertainty across markets is reaching fever pitch, and we can expect to see even more volatility as the world order is shifting under our feet. In fact, on Tuesday, I'll be discussing the implications for investors with Damien Claston from Nucleus Wealth on my live show. That is one not to miss. But going back to where I came in, it's all about events, dear boy. Events.